Hello guys, welcome to Med10. Today we are going to discuss about clinical correlation of the stomach. First thing that we are discussing is gastric carcinoma or gastric cancer. Carcinoma is nothing but as cancer. Gastric cancer. So what is gastric cancer? Is nothing but as cancerous cells which occur in the region of pyloric antrum, and they tend to spread to the left supraclavicular lymph nodes. The cancerous cells mainly formed in the pyloric antrum, they reach left supraclavicular lymph nodes. Supraclavicular lymph nodes. Left supraclavicular lymph nodes are also called as Virchow's lymph nodes. Virchow's nodes. So, gastric cancer, the cancerous cells formed in the pyloric antrum, generally in the pyloric antrum of the stomach, when they travel through the lymph vessels to the celiac nodes and generally travel through thoracic duct to the left supraclavicular lymph nodes. So, generally people with the gastric cancer, you tend to see enlarged Virchow's nodes. So, this indication is known as the Trojer's sign. Trojer's sign. So, enlarged left supraclavicular lymph nodes, which are known as Virchow's nodes, will indicate gastric carcinoma. The next thing that we are going to discuss is vagotomy. Coming to vagotomy. Vagotomy is nothing but a surgical procedure of cutting the vagus nerves. Why do they cut the vagus nerves? Sometimes it may be due to ulceration, duodenal ulcers. What do the vagus nerve do? They are parasympathetic. They enhance the gastric secretion. So, to control the chronic duodenal ulcers, they do vagotomy. What are the types of vagotomy they will do? One is the truncal vagotomy. Truncal vagotomy. In truncal vagotomy, in this procedure, the anterior and the posterior vagal trunks are cut at the lower end of the esophagus, above the origin of hepatic and celiac branches. You know that the anterior vagal trunk, it will give a celiac branch, a hepatic branch, and anterior nerve of Laterjet. Above this origin, they cut at here. This is known as the truncal vagotomy. Another one is the selective vagotomy. In selective vagotomy, they will spare this hepatic and the celiac branch, and they will cut specifically this anterior nerve of Laterjet, which is supplying along the anterior part of the stomach. And there is one more called as the this one is the selective vagotomy, and there is another procedure called as the highly selective vagotomy. Highly selective vagotomy. In highly selective vagotomy, they particularly denervate the nerves that are supplying the parietal cells of the stomach. What do the parietal? They mainly denervate the nerves supplying the parietal cells of the stomach. This is about the highly selective vagotomy. So, in vagotomy we have three types: truncal vagotomy, selective vagotomy, and highly selective vagotomy. The third clinical anatomy that we are discussing about the stomach is gastric pain. Gastric pain, it mainly comes in the epigastric region. Gastric pain is mainly in the epigastrium. So, that is something we need to discuss. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, comment and like it. If you like the video, please share it to your friends. Thank you so much.